what you got here, Will? I mean, this is just like a picture. I don't even see the headline yet. I guess that's the new Intel NUC.
Yeah, that supports a full-size GPU.
And we have this in studio, right?
Yeah, we should check it out. I think it's kind of cool.
Well, you've been running a NUC for this entire show for like a year, maybe more?
Way more.
Oh.
Like back in the old studio,
I apologize. Too. Jeez.
A couple live streams.
You stared me down, man. You try to look right through my skull there. You were just like, more than a year. Dare you not recognize how long we've been doing this for?
Well, I appreciate the NUC for what it is.
Same.
It's done us really well in our journey and through YouTube.
It's also just amazing the amount of performance you can get out of something tiny like nowadays.
Yes.
And we've always been junkies for Thunderbolt connections.
Yes.
And this Intel's NUC lineup always supports it.
But this is a nice little article written by The Verge about the comparison between the old one and the new one.
Mm-hmm. I like how they measure the size of it in liters. They're like, this is an 8-liter gaming PC.
8 liters of Jello in there.
Because you're curious about the volume, truly.
Sure.
Yeah, these things are so efficient. It's wild how they map it out, build it out so that you can put a full-size GPU in there.
Mm-hmm.
It's out of control. So the ones that we have, it will fit the full-length card.
This one's a 3080 card.
The long one.
The long one,
What's the short one, a 3060 or 70?
The 60? Ti, 3080 Ti.
Versus a 3060.
A 3060.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the one we have over here has a 3060 in it.
Yes.
How about the one you've been using right now?
That one, I think, is a 2080 Ti.
Oh, okay.
Or 2070 Ti.
2070? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you've been running that forever and no heat problems, nothing.
Sometimes it would have like a little tiny fire on top, but...
just a little warning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean, it's done well for what it is. I was just joking about the fire.
Really? I was taking you seriously there.
No.
You never, no smoke smells or nothing like that?
Mm-mm.
That's incredible.
Solid. It's great.
Obviously the new one, new generation stuff in it.
It lights up as well.
Yeah, it looks different. What do you think? How do you it looks more gamer-ish.
Yeah, it has that skull logo at the front that lights up as well. I think it's a really compelling package.
It's a little bigger than the last one.
Oh, yeah. It's longer and thicker.
Oh, but shorter.
But shorter, yes.
Oh, really interesting. Okay. Yeah, I want to check this thing out. This is cool. For sure. And I'm a big fan of the skull stuff. Like, that's my favorite with the emoji.
With the emoji, yeah.
So I have to look at it for that reason alone.
Yeah, let's check it out.